If you're a man over 45, you've probably noticed some unwanted changes in your body. Less stamina, low energy, and shaken confidence. You're not alone. Many men go through this, though they often face it in silence. But a man's body after 45 isn't over the hill. It just needs to be reactivated the right way. Imagine your body as a system that needs a reset to work its best. Today, I'll share 5 simple exercises that don't need a gym or medicine to help you get your strength back and balance your hormones naturally. These exercises focus on blood flow, rebuilding nerve connections, and supporting male hormones. If you do them with the right technique, slowly and regularly, the results will surprise you. Let's start your journey to getting back in shape right now. The first exercise, the Cossack squat, is key to unlocking your pelvis and inner thighs where male strength begins. Stand tall, with your feet wider than your shoulders and your toes pointed slightly outward. Shift your weight to your right leg, lowering your hips as much as you can, keeping your left leg straight and your heel on the floor. Keep your back straight, chest open, and arms out in front for balance. Hold at the lowest point for a count, feeling the stretch in your inner thigh. Push through your right heel to stand back up. Repeat on the left side. The key is to control your movement, go slowly, and feel every inch. The Cossack squat helps open your hip joints, increases blood flow, and releases nerves in the pelvic area, which is super important for your sexual health. When you get this side-to-side movement back, you're sending a strong message to your brain. Your lower body is still strong and flexible. Do 5 to 6 reps on each side for 2 to 3 sets, resting 45 to 60 seconds between sets. Don't rush to go too deep. Focus on good form and staying safe. Stick with it, and you'll feel more connected and confident in your body again. Start your journey to regaining strength with the Cossack squat today. Our second exercise, the hip thrust, wakes up your glutes. These are the biggest and most important muscles for your pelvic area. Sit on the floor with your upper back against a bench. Your feet should be hip-width apart, and your heels firmly on the ground. Push through your heels, and lift your hips until your body is straight and parallel to the floor. At the top, squeeze your glute muscles for 2 to 3 seconds. Make sure not to arch your lower back. Slowly lower your hips back down with control. Then, repeat. Strong glutes act like a cushion, protecting the nerves and blood vessels in your pelvic area. This helps improve blood flow and nerve signals. Hip thrusts also help you keep good posture, reduce back pain, and boost your overall confidence and strength. Do 8 to 12 reps per set for 2 to 3 sets. Rest for 60 seconds between each set. You can make it harder by placing a small weight on your hips. The key is to really focus on your glutes, feeling every single movement. Don't just go through the motions. Turn your glutes into a biological pump machine for your health and performance. Start today. The third exercise, the reverse lunge, helps you get back your balance and stability in your lower body. Stand up straight with your feet hip-width apart. Step your right foot back, lowering both knees to a 90-degree angle. Make sure your front knee doesn't go past your toes. Push off your front heel, pressing hard to stand up, then switch sides. The reverse lunge is safe for your knees. It wakes up the stabilizing muscles around your hips and helps your body make more natural testosterone. This exercise helps you feel more rooted and builds a strong foundation for everything you do. Every time you push up from your heel, you're showing your strength and control. Do 6 to 8 reps on each side for 2-3 sets, resting 45-60 seconds between sets. If you find it hard to balance, you can lightly hold onto a wall or a chair. The reverse lunge isn't just a physical exercise, it's also about getting your inner confidence back. Each controlled step back is a step forward to a stronger you. The fourth exercise, the side plank, builds a steel wall for your core and pelvis. Lie on your side with your elbow right under your shoulder and your legs straight, stacked on top of each other. Tighten your belly muscles and lift your hips up to make a straight line from your head to your heels. Keep your neck straight, breathe normally, and don't hold your breath. The side plank doesn't give you big muscles, but it builds strength and helps you control the pressure in your pelvis, protecting your spine and insides. A strong core helps you be tough, steady, and control your body better in everything you do. This exercise also makes your balance better and helps prevent back pain and injuries. Hold the position for 20-40 seconds on each side, doing 2 to 3 sets. If you're just starting, you can bend your knees to make it easier. Quality is more important than how long you hold it. It's better to hold the right pose for a short time than the wrong one for a long time. Add the side plank to your workout plan, building a strong base for men's health. This quiet strength will help you feel more in control and tougher than ever before. The last exercise, the dead hang, is simple but has deep benefits for your spine and nervous system. Hang from a bar with your hands a little wider than your shoulders. Let your whole body relax and focus on breathing slowly and deeply. The dead hang helps to decompress your spine, making more space for your spinal discs. This can ease back pain and improve the connection between your brain and the lower part of your body. Hanging also helps your body make more nitric oxide, which opens up your blood vessels. This improves blood flow to all your organs, even your reproductive organs. This exercise also lowers stress, activates your relaxing nervous system, and reduces cortisol, which is bad for testosterone. With just one simple move, you can actively boost your male hormones and overall health. Start with 10 seconds, then slowly increase to 20-45 seconds per hang. Do 2 to 3 hangs, resting in between. Your grip strength will get better quickly, which helps your overall health and how long you live. Finish your workout with a dead hang to help your body recover and calm your mind. This is a perfect way to reconnect with your body after every workout. Make the dead hang a regular habit for your health and performance. So, we've gone through 5 basic exercises, 5 simple but powerful keys to unlock the potential of men's bodies after age 45. This isn't a magic fix overnight, but a journey of commitment to yourself. Sticking with it, using the right technique, and listening to your body are what make you successful. Don't compare yourself to anyone else. Compare who you are today to who you were yesterday. If you're serious about it, your health and fitness will come back stronger than ever.